Yeah, from the look at the background, and I have to ask if my over people are the teeth water again. So the bucket there right there, so I'm just full. So I'm gonna bring it over now, and then I'm gonna bathe. Y'all are gonna get ready with me because I'm taking myself out for Valentine's Day. Yeah, my bro, but I find money for that, can I deserve it though. So I'm gonna catch you up right here, so hopefully I can see. I don't want to mash up my phone, you know. God no, I just get that phone, yeah. Miggy, hit and run. Oh yes, that works. My soon come. Just catch up my ear off camera. I go bed now because I did a plan for reach when I go by 12 o'clock. I don't know I have my baby. I'm not stay on the road too long. I just go buy something to eat and come back. But tell me why I'm going to see this little got to be something now, gel, because I had to find something for all my edges. So I'm going to say this got to be something now. So I always say the girlie them on YouTube and TikTok I use it. Why me say me go buy it? And the little one, you know, little so. Tell me why a $400 fee. Me say if me could have take back my money. Me say I true me did already care go give me a chin for cashier. Me couldn't take the disgrace. So me if it does lock me eye. If it does lock me eye and buy, but I'm sorry, I'm $400. Anyway, me I go be it. Me I contemplate if I can with me. I feel like if I don't want to say my nudity, and I feel like I don't want to say it. I don't know, I see how it go. One thing for a broke girl, my skin not too shabby. Don't pick me out. Anyways, I'm gonna wash my face. I don't know people bathe. Bathing, broke girl 101. Upside one. I say if I don't ever make my phone drop off up here so you can't want to see me naked. I don't know. I don't know see a bend down splash up me a place. So I want to see me outside the camera and work with it. Alright? Okay. And I wash off my edges, you know. Oh, let me tell you now. Allow me. Allow me. Now wash off my edges phone. Watch how the girl black and pretty. What's agree with me? Anyways. I go shave out my arm in case nobody want me. I don't know. Never know. I don't have no shaving cream, but I look on Google and them say if you don't have no shaving cream, conditioner will do so. Mind no business. Get the soap when you at your body wash done, you have to go for a refresh. Now stretch my pocket past weight can afford. So now I'm just gonna soap up my body. Yeah. Yeah, sexy. Slow it down sexy. Oh, I'm excited. This is how you wash your back when you're single on Valentine's Day. You catch the back, pour it, the bottom pour it down your ass first. And then you fling it over saw. And then you dash it over saw. And I saw you do it. I bet the whole of my back wash. But I need nobody out of the way. I say one woman live over 1 yard over there so from me. I say every time I come down I suffer bed. Because the zinc blow down, some breeze a blow from what the hard breeze and blow down the zinc of the hide me. I say every time I come run off a bed, that woman they have close the pin pan the line. I know so me nice in about second long. Yeah. Guys, for an up-close view of my cow shine, please subscribe to the channel. Come back. Pat dry your skin. Keep your hair off your face. Anybody ever see that something about TV, Jay? If I clean out your ears in there, you never know. I'm just saying. Clean out some ears, man. Yeah, the gyal beard I saw. Yes, alright now. May I go back in. So me link up with you now as me go. And then we see how it go from this. Alright, the girl I go get dressed now, so I see my body aisle done and you can't subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel, make your girl buy something for my stories or body man and then I forgot. So I don't know where it go. Sprue. Oh, you know what? Should I use this body butter? I bought on Body Works. On the team I have money at teeth. My teeth from my cousin. Teeth, me does teeth from my cousin. Me not the money on the know better too. Okay, y'all, I'm ready. I'm gonna left out now. As you can see, Irene really want me gonna wear. I don't know where she try. Papa, me is ring now, please, Irene. No. I'm gonna left out now. I'm gonna ask my mother for record so y'all can see the fit or whatever. And then when we reach it, I got me link on the back. Okay, I'm here. I want kind of show you what the place look like. What the place look like and thing. It's a jerk center. So I'm waiting for my food right now. So when the food comes, I'm showing you what's going on with the food, and then maybe you know like a quick view of the place. But I'm gonna go and drink like a beer and something and have a good time. Okay, I'm back right now. I'm gonna pop off my eyelash, everything. My baby wants to sleep, so I'm gonna tend to her now. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.